Meteorologists have mentioned that Hurricane Lee has faltered, but is expected to regain strength over the weekend. Hurricane Lee is currently fighting wind shear and has weakened significantly. Its intensity is expected to rebound over the weekend. It is too soon, however, to forecast what land areas this hurricane may threaten next week. Meteorologists have advised that persons in Bermuda, the northeast U.S. coast, and the Atlantic Canada should monitor the forecast closely. It is expected that there will be dangerous high surf, rip currents, and coastal flooding along the east coast next week. Hurricane Lee is fighting wind shear as it passes north of the Leeward Islands and ahead of an uncertain turn that could bring potential impacts later next week in Bermuda, Atlantic Canada, and possibly parts of the northeast seaboard. Hurricane Lee is currently a couple hundred miles northeast of the northern Leeward Islands and is moving west-northwest. Currently, there is moderate to strong wind shear that is affecting the hurricane, which has induced some weakening since early Friday. Wind shear will slow down this weekend and Lee should re-strengthen by early next week. Warm ocean water and a moist environment has contributed to Lee's explosive strengthening over the past few days. Some fluctuations are expected over the next several days due to wind shear and the possibility of high wall replacement cycles. Lee's center will pass well north of the northern Leeward Islands, including Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. Those areas could still see outer bands of showers, some gusty winds, dangerous surf, and rip currents, specifically along north and northeast facing coasts. The hurricane becomes more uncertain due to its recent intensity, struggles, and a midweek northward turn. By Wednesday, Hurricane Lee will swap steering mechanisms and turn towards the north. Lee will be steered towards the west-northwest by the Bermuda